Been out of step with the president on Afghanistan, North Korea, and Iran. Element NPR News, the State Department.
Yo, I'm Davey the Uber Slave, and this is your video for Friday. Like it. We're going international on this first trip. And in the beginning, I'm talking to the guy like, there's no map. Everything else was there but the map.
Bye, guys. Dan, go in the front. Bye. Dan, go in the front.
Yeah, so
Look, there's no map.
I can't go in the
what? Well, that's weird.
I've never seen this before.
No, me either.
Oh, I've been doing this a while too.
How are you?
Good, how are you?
Good, thank you.
Why?
Yeah, we left this fucking cigarette leftovers at the place.
Oh.
We haven't cleaned them up.
Yeah, I had to one by
It's
one.
a fucking dick move. I'm gonna tell him. I don't care about the dude.
I thought he was drinking actually.
I didn't.
Hopefully not, he's driving.
It's fine. No, I didn't. Driving? Yeah, the car?
He had the Chevrolet that Maddie was pissing about.
Oh, so that's
I think you have to go right here.
Yeah.
Already?
Yeah, because you be talking, Dad.
Oh, shut up, Janelle.
Oh my god, you guys. You gotta have to learn how to live with each other.
No, we don't.
Really just wanted to.
Oh my god, Janelle is so annoying.
Guys, you like each other, stop.
Have you ever looked in the mirror, Janelle?
No, actually, I don't. Can you stop, Daniel? You're being really mean right now.
I know, but she started it.
I did not.
Definitely.
You started by flicking me off for the second.
She's joking with you like in a friendly way, and you're being just mean.
Dan, I'm in love with you and you're acting like this.
You're in love with me? That's like a cheap move now, Janelle. Playing that card.
Why? Because you know you're gonna.
I'm gonna fall for her.
Oh, really?
think
You
she's
never
like-
felt. You never felt. Yeah, that's it. And Manzanita is like the
Oh, I had EU
like
class.
the recent like it's the more recent like one.
Oh, this is where I picked you up yesterday. Is this where you wanna?
Yeah, we can just stop here. Thank you so much.
Okay, thank you.
Have a nice.
Have a great night. Bye, you too.
Bye bye.
Sounds like everybody's from a different place.
Yeah, I'm Norway, France, Canada, Germany.
Pretty good.
Yeah.
Have a good night.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
How dope was that girl behind me? Now, these girls when I'm driving out are all in the way. And then the next pickup, these people try to pile into the back. You know what I'm talking about? Not enough seatbelts. I probably could have done a whole video just on that clip.
Watch the panic. They come on the next day and say, hey, you like that?
Hey, how's it going?
What is she going, John? Oh, yeah.
Where you at? I'm coming. Hey, yeah.
Good, how are you? No, that's not gonna work. You guys need another seat there?
Yeah.
I thought we was over here.
Just right around the corner.
Oh, okay. There's a seatbelt for it too, but you know, unless you want.
I turned into another seat.
Hey, I gotta get this dude $5 in it.
Oh my god.
Sit down, bro. Sit
He
down.
has 5 stars in a seat.
I gotta get this dude $5. You gonna see something?
Have y'all ever had your passengers try to invite you into the club?
Dude, my aux cord's broken, man. I'm tripping out right
no.
now. I can't figure out how to get it to work. And I just had somebody that worked for Honda in the car when it stopped working. And he's like, yeah, just hit the audio thing, blah, blah, blah. And then he's like, oh, yeah, I don't know what's going on. Like, it like wouldn't, it just won't go on. The video, and the video port is actually... Do you have an iPhone?
Oh yeah? 41 Ocean?
I've never been in. I just like hang out outside and talk to the drunk girls that come out.
Exactly. Yeah, it's a fire strategy.
You know what's crazy? Every time I take people there, they try to get me to go in with them.
Yeah, I think it's gonna be the same this time.
They're just bullshitting. We're serious over here. You're more than welcome. Could we play music? Any chance?
Yeah, sure.
Eli, go ahead. I know you.
No.
Why? It's all about the ratchet right now.
This aux cord doesn't work.
Yeah, all we got is radio.
105.
Play some 106.7. We're here. 105.9.
I forgot all the good like radio stations, bro. I never fucking.
All white, right. Couldn't hit it if you tag,
Last man going.
I can buy a Billy, boy, I'm the fucking boy.
Oh, right here?
No.
You make it right?
Oh, no, you can't.
I mean, I could, but it wouldn't be good.
Music's cutting in and out because I'm trying not to get demonetized.
Cause the white folks don't.
Thank you.
Thank you.
For y'all that didn't watch my last video, I've been sick with a cold for a couple days. As always, love y'all. I'm starting to feel better. Oh, I had hiccups for 12 hours yesterday. Have you heard, like, in the Guinness Book of Records, there's like somebody that had hiccups for 40 years. I got my car back. I'm ready to get out there, make some money, and make some videos. Peace, y'all.
Rather than
That car, it was stopped and just decided to pull out.
The quantity of fat in the diet.
Couldn't wait
Fats are
for a
very
gap.
important in the diet, and there's a growing interest in things like ketogenic diets, which are very high in fat. And that doesn't necessarily equate to causing heart disease. What